Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel WS Tech. Today we are learning how to reset Windows 10 password. First you need a bootable Windows 10 USB. If you don't have a bootable USB, you can make it by following the description link. Boot the system with bootable USB. Now when you arrive at Windows setup, select your language, click next, then click on repair your computer, then click on troubleshoot or advanced settings, then click on command prompt. Now navigate to this Windows drive where you have installed your Windows. Now type cd Windows and press enter. Then type cd system32 and press enter. Now make a backup of setIcontrust.exe sethc.exe by typing copy sethc.exe space sethc backup.exe and press enter. Now rename command prompt cmd.exe to setIcontrust.exe by typing the command rename space cmd.exe space setIcontrust.exe sethc.exe. Press enter. Now confirm override by typing yes and press enter. Now close the command prompt and restart your system normally. At login screen, press Shift 5 times to open the command prompt. Now type net user space username space new password, the password you want to enter, and press enter. Now type the new password in the password box and press enter, and your window will be logged in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.